Good afternoon, everyone. Been a while again. Busy like always. So let's get started with this here. Starting off with the dollar here. So dollar is still, hovering around the $1 here. So we almost reached a target here. You almost could say it's reached that point, but I think there's still potential to go higher here. Since there should be some resistance in this zone here. Um, Overall, yeah, it had a big impact on the whole crypto market as well. But as you can see from the dollar wise, this could easily push higher, in my opinion. And so I think we almost reached that area here. So I do think that we might get a rejection here soon, a pullback somewhere here. Let's see if we just do a correction somewhere here in this zone, start moving up from here. Okay, this is what I'm personally seeing here. So the crypto market had a slightly pump here. We get into this now. So what I mentioned last time was that we do have a bullish diff here, and I said, okay, if we go up here, that would be great. We're still doing well here. I said worst case scenario is we're gonna have a pullback here and then a huge dump down here somewhere. But we actually doing well at the moment. Okay, we're claiming this whole scenario here now. Um, so the bigger picture is that we might get to our fifth wave up here now. So the only thing is just we need to be stable here in this zone, make this as a new support zone here, break out, come down, retest, and start recovering at this point, and head to the fifth wave here. Okay. So I still think there's a chance that we do another wave up here. Okay. Even with the whole situation with Ukraine and Russian, um, that it's possible that people are start pumping the money in the crypto market, trying to leave the country or move to Europe and get the money out. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I clearly can imagine that. Okay, so overall, yeah, bullish diff is playing out here. Um, would love to see a pull down here somewhere, a retest here, the 50 RSI here, and then start reclaiming more higher here. Let's see what we have here on Bravecoin today. So yes, I did get a long signal here, but it's just just slightly up here. It's not a big deal here. Okay. But doing well. Okay, so we had this before. We went below the energy line, and then we came up here. Here a long time, since January, we were like beneath, above, beneath. Now let's see if we finally can make this whole zone as a new support here and make our move up from here. Okay. Still keep in mind, there's also still a worst case scenario, that we get rejected here and start dumping here. Since on Bravecoin, Brave New Coin, we have a bearish diff here, okay? And on the total crypto mark, let me pull this up. We don't have it, okay? We don't have it, but on Bitcoin side, we do have it here, okay? So what does this tell us? Okay, there's a chance that Bitcoin dumps again and the money goes back into the old season. Okay, um, there's a bearish diff here, so there's a chance that we do correct down and the whole crypto market takes a dump again, but maybe the money starts flowing into alts coins. Okay, it's just I can imagine that it's possible, and you know, I do s still think that we're not quite done yet, but everybody needs to be prepared for worst case scenario. I still also have this support here. which is now resistance at the moment, as you clearly see. So, if you pull this longer here, um, you can see, oh, let me just take this away. This is now a bit annoying here. Keep this bit clean. Take this away. And we take this away. This is old. Take this away. This is old, old, old now. Okay, keep it a bit clean now. So now you can see it. Okay, there's some support in this zone here, but there's also resistance now. So we really clearly need to reclaim this zone here, and we might get a pull down here again. So we might get something like this more, okay? Um, but the worst case is that we even um, dump, okay? It's possible. Um, so let's see what we're gonna get here, okay? We need to see and watch this here. 2-day chart, yes, I did get a 2-day buy signal. We had a pullback, running high. There's still resistance above here, so keep that in mind. Um, Worst case scenario is still here, C wave down here, that we take a huge dump down here in the 20k zone here. So it's still possible. The yellow line, as you can see, is still in play here. Okay, it's still not over here for me, and I still see resistance here. Okay, so we clearly need to get above at least 48k, 49. Make this zone as a beautiful support here, and then hopefully we just carry on here. Okay. So hopefully we just do this here. Let's see. Next, let's see. So 1-day chart, um, similar thing. We still have that 200 MA here. We still have the wave trend here, still above us. This is, oh, take this away. This is one support zone I'm still watching. This is old. Take this away again. Gonna update this whole situation now. Yep. So save it. So trend wave is up here. 200 MA is above us. Still down forcing us. So I do, can imagine that this zone is a bit risky here. Yeah, we could easily fall down here. Okay. Um, and if we do spike, I do think we're gonna spike maybe till 48 here, get rejected, come down. Okay, the question is gonna be, are we gonna make this whole situation um, a new support? Okay, we really clearly need to get higher here um, to make this zone as a new support. Okay. Okay, so this is also resistance. We need to get up here, make this as a new support here. Then we have another resistance there. We need to reclaim that 48k here to carry on. Okay, so this is what I'm personally seeing. Let's see on my 6-hour. Yeah, 6-hour is really in the red here on the RSI at the moment. Beautiful buy signal down here. Then there was a small short, then another long here, buy here, and as you can see, we hitting resistance at the moment here. Um, let's see Ethereum here. Get this up, 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 up. Here we go. Yeah, similar thing. We still have the whole resistance area here. This is old now. Get this away. Get this away. Clean this up. There's one support area, another support area, and what we need is price level, the 200 MA, and we have this resistance area here as well. Still, okay. Um, So still in play, this could easily just reject here and come down here. So I wouldn't quite go too hard long here. It's just for me, this is just not a long position. I'm actually waiting for a short position. So hopefully um, I have some time and try to short this here. Um, let's see on the 4 hour if I can see this. Yeah, 4 hour. So this is yeah, we're almost done here. So this is the zone I want to short. So I'm looking now for like a small maybe pump up here in this zone. I will try to short this zone here. Let's see if I get a small scalp here down here somewhere to the 3K here. That would be a nice profit here. Okay, taking a short on the 4 hour here. Where's the buy signal? Buy signal was here. Yeah, it's just hardly to see. It's just here. I've got some more indicators on this one. I know it's a mess, but there was a long signal. We came all the way down here, and then finally we had our run up. This is actually a chart where you just buy it and you just hold it. Okay, it's not for leverage trading, but I do see on the 4 hour there's a potential resistance up here, and so I'll try to stack some longs maybe in this zone here, and then hopefully I just catch it and just do a small trade here for this week, and that's it for Truebit. Yeah, Truebit has been quite nice. It's doing quite well here. Let us zoom out. So worst case was we just do another dump here down here. I was ready. I had my money ready here, but we actually didn't fill this in. We actually just carried on here. Um, in my view, we do need a correction down here somewhere, a small correction down here, maybe to 22 cents or something. Let's get this on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour. So already starting a bit correction down here. And then hopefully we're just gonna start making another move up here. I didn't buy some more, so I was ready to buy some here, but since I bought this in the 20 cents zone here, I just hold to my coins and just leave it. But I was actually hoping that we get a huge dump down here somewhere, but well, we didn't get it. Okay, so we didn't get it. If Bitcoin does a dump, I still gonna leave my buy orders here for a while to see what's going to happen. Um, this can also be, start making some three waves up here somewhere to the 36 cents here. But overall, yeah, I'm happy to see what I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm really that, and I think this still needs a long-term time. Um, this is a long-term holding here. Okay, but every time it comes down somewhere, I would try to catch it every month, buy some more, stack it, in my wallet, and that's it. Okay. UDT, because somebody asked about UDT. I bought some UDT. As you can see, this is my previous mark in this zone here. So we actually got in this zone here, and I bought some more in this zone here, holding it, and let's see if we now finally make some move up here. It's a pain in the ass, okay? It's a pain. It's a really pain here. But it's doing well at the moment here. But it's just I would love to see it come higher now soon. But I'm gonna stick to my bag at the moment and just gonna hold this here for trade, and then hopefully we just make our move here. So yeah, hopefully UDT gets some more news, some big news, or some updates or something, and hopefully this just start mooning. But overall, yeah, I'm actually happy that we took that long time at the moment, since I bought some this month now again, since we got in this buy zone here from my side, and I would try to buy some more and then just stick to that bag for a while. Okay. Today I want to cover this one coin which got my attention is Astra, and it is also on Binance, but I've got more history on Huobi, so that's why I have it open. So Astra is a coin from Polkadot Net network. I don't know product. I don't know how to say this. Okay, so and it's been quite down. Okay, it had a really heavy fall here. You can see this. It was up somewhere really well, almost 70 cents here, and it went all the way down as usual. You know, it had a heavy dump here, and it doesn't have big history because it's quite new. Okay, it's launched somewhere in January. Okay, and it's been just flat. Okay, since it's this Polkadot ecosystem, parachain, multi-chain, whatever you call it, I decided to buy some here. Okay, not a big bag, but I bought some, and this is just for trade. So I would do sell it maybe on 12, 30 cents or something. Maybe keep it a bit longer because there's also potential that we get to the 20 cents zone here. Okay. So, just to make 80% profit on this one here. Okay. And as you can see, it's just totally flat. Okay. It is, we had some waves, okay, up and down because people are bought it, stacked some on different platforms, doing, getting some API and earning some passive income. But now I bought some here at below 11 cents now, and since this was just doing sideways moves since days now, um, I said, okay, I'm just gonna buy some. If it does pump, it would be nice to see some profit. So I bought it around 10 or 55. That's around about. So getting 150 if I'm lucky in return. And but I can imagine that this takes a bit longer as well. Even if you see a buy signal, it doesn't mean straight away it goes up here. Okay, so you could have this sideways move still. I don't think we're just gonna go straight up from this point, but since it's just a recent launch and Polkadot ecosystems is not that bad, they're doing quite good in their product and they're doing a lot at the moment. Astra got my attention since on the chart is quite new. It is flat at the moment. Um, if it does go lower, I don't mind. It just maybe I just buy some more here at this point, but I'm just gonna keep it for a while now and see what they're doing. And I think recent they are not anymore in the test net. They are in production already. I'm not quite sure. I haven't done my proper research actually on that, but just by the charts, I just decided to buy some at this point here. Okay. So yeah, that's it for all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you next time.